If you find yourself unable to access your Bitget account because you no longer have access to your email, follow these steps to recover your account quickly. Step 1. Visit the Bitget login page. Go to the official Bitget website and navigate to the login section. This is where you will start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Select alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your email, choose an alternative recovery method, such as using your phone number or any other linked account recovery options available. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you have verified your identity through the alternative method, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm the change. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Bitget account again. Always ensure your recovery options are up to date to avoid future issues.